So my buddy bought a grandfather clock here a while back, and he don't have room for it, and he told me he'd sell it to me for what he paid for the clock. The clock is over 80 inches tall. Well, this is the movement for that clock. And this I believe is a shield clock. It has pins on the back to keep the clock away from the wall. I believe this is a black Porsche shield clock that somebody put into a case. I'm going to have to ask my group expert, Valentin Weber, if he agrees with me. But the time and the strike, the time is in front of the strike. Newer clocks, the time is on the side of the strike. It's a weight-driven clock, but I've got like 12 grandfather clocks at my house. I don't really need one, but I love wooden plate movements. This has got an alarm on it, and I couldn't pass it up. The price was right. And the shield in these clocks are normally cracked down the middle. This one isn't cracked, and it might be because it was inside a grandfather clock case all these years. Here's the weight for the clock. The smaller weight being for the time. But I got it stored. Now I have to, when I get ready to leave my friend's house, the clock is too long for the tailgate up. I'm going to have to put the tailgate down. And here's the case of the clock. I'm 6 foot. You see where my head comes up to? Right here. So it's like I said, it's a really tall clock. He's gonna take some New Life furniture to the case before I take it home. And he found a key for it. Maybe not. I don't believe that's a key for it. He's trying to find a key for it, but that one don't work.